Hello, my name is Timothy Saunders, and I am going to be your guide throughout this poetry module. Now, one thing we seek to emphasize throughout this LICA website is that if we are to do literary analysis properly, then we need to do much more than simply state what we think a given work of literature is saying. We need to take account too of how it says it. When it comes to poetry then, our starting point will be that this kind of literature has at its disposal a number of devices that are distinctive to it alone. These include lines of varying length that can break off at points that do not necessarily correspond with the end of a sentence or phrase. They include too the occasional grouping of these lines into stanzas. And stanzas are not the same as paragraphs and do not exist in prose. And these devices include all kinds of oral effects, such as meter, which is a heavily regularized form of rhythm, and rhyme. And finally, there are certain types or genres of poem that have rules all of their own, such as epic poems, odes, sonnets, villanelles, and countless other kinds besides. In this module, we are going to familiarize ourselves above all with these distinctive features of poetry. And we're going to recognize how they enable individual poems to say things, and to say them in such a way that simply would not be possible in any other form of literature or any other form of artistic expression.